promise I can show you how to draw this really easily, even if you can't draw at all. It's so easy. So if you do try it, please show me your drawings and keep watching to find out how to do it. First of all, I always start off by drawing just a swirl. That's it, just a wee swirl. So easy. I mean, that's all you need for the centre of the rose. And then, the only other shape you need to know how to draw is... Right, I don't know what you call that shape, but it's a rose petal shape. So it's sort of a curve, comes up to a point, goes back down, and then it has two curves. And that's all you do. So like, if you can draw that shape, then you can draw a rose. Let's put them together. So start off with your swirl, and then the shape that we just did. Curve to a point, and then two curves. And the other side, curve, point, and two curves. And again, what you do is you just keep adding them like layers. Okay, and just keep going. It doesn't have to be neat, you don't have to be even. Just keep adding them in. Curve, point, and two curves. But before I was doing them like this, and it just doesn't look as good. So that's like the way you don't want to do it. You want to do it like that way. And it's nice to have them overlapping as well, like that. And if you do them that way, they will look so much better. Okay, that's how you do it. And always add some dots and little stars. And they're so easy to do as well, like they're just sticks. So all you do is just do sticks. Don't try and draw an actual star, just draw sticks. Also, instead of colouring in every segment of the rose when you're finished, sometimes it's easier if you're being lazy just to draw a red circle first. Once that's done, you can then add a outline over the top, and that's an easy way to do it. Start with your swirl, and then your curve, point, curve, curve. Curve, point, curve, curve. I need to wait till that dries. That took me ages and it wasn't that good, but if you liked it and you try to draw a rose, please show me and I'll try and get better at making videos.